Want to live a life of luxury? You deserve it. Imagine yourself savoring the finest champagne on a yacht, dining in the most exquisite restaurants, and unwinding in the most luxurious spas. This isn't just a dream, it can be your reality. The stock market can be your ticket to financial freedom. By understanding the market trends and making informed decisions, you can grow your wealth exponentially. It's a dynamic world, full of opportunities waiting to be seized. It's not just for the wealthy. Anyone can build wealth. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, the stock market offers a level playing field. Picture yourself celebrating financial milestones with loved ones, knowing that your smart investments have paved the way. You just need the right strategies. With the guidance of experienced financial advisors and mentors, you can craft a personalized plan that aligns with your goals. It's about making informed choices and staying committed to your financial journey. Let's unlock the secrets to a life of abundance. Imagine driving a luxury car on a scenic road, stepping into a high-end home, and unwrapping the finest gifts. These are the rewards of smart investing and strategic planning. We're talking about more than just money. It's about creating memorable experiences with family and friends. Picture yourself hosting lavish dinners, celebrating milestones in upscale settings, and enjoying exclusive yacht parties. This is the lifestyle that financial freedom can offer. Financial freedom means having choices. It means being able to choose your next travel destination, plan exciting activities, and explore the world without limitations. Imagine holding multiple passports, each representing a new adventure waiting to be experienced. It's about living life on your terms. Imagine traveling the world, pursuing your passions, and securing your future. Whether it's hiking in picturesque locations, painting in a serene studio, or enjoying a private beach with your family, financial freedom allows you to live your best life. That's the power of smart investing. By making informed decisions and staying committed to your financial goals, you can achieve a life of luxury and abundance. Start your journey today and unlock the potential of smart investing. Close your eyes for a moment. Picture yourself waking up in a luxurious villa overlooking the Mediterranean Sea. The sun is shining, and a gentle breeze carries the scent of fresh flowers. You have no alarm clock, no deadlines, and no financial worries. This is the life you deserve, a life of freedom, abundance, and joy. And the best part? It's within your reach. By mastering the stock market, you can turn this dream into your reality. Let's explore how. The stock market might seem intimidating, but it's simpler than you think. Imagine it as a bustling marketplace, full of opportunities and potential. Here you can become a part owner of some of the world's most successful companies. It's like a giant marketplace where you can buy and sell pieces of companies, also known as stocks. These stocks represent ownership in a company, and owning them means you have a stake in the company's future. When these companies profit, so do you. As the company grows and earns more, the value of your stocks can increase, leading to potential financial gains. It's a way to grow your wealth over time. There are different ways to invest in the market. You can choose to be a hands-on investor, picking individual stocks and managing your portfolio actively. Or you can take a more passive approach, investing in mutual funds or ETFs that spread your investment across many stocks. You can buy stocks in well-established companies that pay dividends, giving you regular income. Dividends are a portion of a company's earnings distributed to shareholders, providing a steady stream of income in addition to any potential stock price appreciation. Or you can invest in exciting tech companies with high growth potential. These companies might not pay dividends, but they reinvest their profits to fuel innovation and expansion, which can lead to significant stock price increases. The key is to diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your investments across different sectors and types of assets, you can reduce risk and increase your chances of achieving stable, long-term growth. Diversification helps protect your investments from market volatility. Investing in the stock market is a long-term game. It's important to stay patient and not get swayed by short-term market fluctuations. Over time, the market has historically trended upwards, rewarding those who stay invested. Educating yourself about the stock market is crucial. The more you know, the better decisions you can make. Attend seminars, read books, and follow market news to stay informed. Today, technology has made investing more accessible than ever. With online trading platforms and financial apps, you can manage your investments from the comfort of your home. These tools provide valuable insights and make it easier to track your portfolio's performance. Remember, investing is not just about making money, it's about achieving your financial goals. Whether you're saving for retirement, a child's education, or a dream vacation, the stock market can help you get there. So, take the first step towards your financial future. Start small, stay informed, and watch your wealth grow. The stock market is your gateway to wealth, and with the right approach, the possibilities are endless. Building wealth isn't about winning the lottery. It's about making smart decisions consistently. It's like building a house. You need a strong foundation. That foundation is your budget. Start by tracking your income and expenses. Identify areas where you can save and invest more. Remember, even small amounts add up over time, especially with the magic of compounding. Section 5. Investing for growth. Watching your money multiply. Investing can seem daunting, but with the right approach, it can be incredibly rewarding. Imagine your money working for you, growing steadily over time. Compounding is like a snowball effect for your money. Just as a snowball grows larger as it rolls down a hill, your investments can grow exponentially over time. The key is to start early and be consistent. When your investments earn money, those earnings are reinvested, generating even more earnings over time. This process, known as compounding, can significantly boost your wealth. Think of it as planting a tree. The longer it grows, the more fruit it bears. It's like magic, but it's just math. The power of compounding lies in its simplicity. By reinvesting your earnings, you create a cycle of growth that can lead to substantial financial gains. Don't worry, you don't need to be a math whiz to make it work for you. There are plenty of resources available to help you understand and take advantage of compounding. Financial advisors, online courses, and investment tools can guide you every step of the way. Many tools and platforms can help, even if you're a beginner. From robo-advisors to user-friendly investment apps, technology has made investing more accessible than ever before. You can start small and gradually increase your investments as you become more comfortable. Robo-advisors automate your investments based on your goals and risk tolerance. These intelligent platforms use algorithms to create and manage a diversified portfolio for you, taking the guesswork out of investing. There are also user-friendly investment apps that make investing as easy as ordering a pizza. With just a few taps on your smartphone, you can start building your financial future. These apps offer features like automatic contributions, portfolio rebalancing, and personalized advice to help you stay on track. Remember, the key to watching your money multiply is patience and consistency. Set clear financial goals, stay disciplined, and let the power of compounding work its magic over time. Your future self will thank you for the smart decisions you make today. So, start now, stay informed, and watch your money grow. Investing for growth is a journey, and with the right tools and mindset, you can achieve financial success. Happy investing! Section 6. Mastering the mind game. Patience and long-term vision. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't get caught up in the hype or panic when the market fluctuates. Remember, you're in it for the long haul. Successful investors understand that patience is key. They ride out the market's ups and downs, knowing that their investments will grow over time. Focus on your goals, stay disciplined, and let time work its magic. Section 7. Living the dream. Luxury redefined. Luxury isn't just about fancy cars and designer clothes. It's about freedom, experiences, and living life on your own terms. Imagine waking up every day excited about the possibilities. With financial freedom, you can travel the world, pursue your passions, and spend quality time with loved ones. You can give back to your community, support causes you care about, and make a real difference in the world. Now, Think about what truly brings you joy. Is it traveling to exotic destinations? Maybe learning a new skill? Or perhaps spending quality time with your loved ones? Financial freedom gives you the power to prioritize experiences over material possessions. Imagine having the time and resources to pursue your passions without financial constraints. You could learn a new language, take up painting, or even start your own business. The possibilities are endless. The Bandetas. Section 9. Smart spending. Making your wealth work for you. Having wealth doesn't mean being careless with your money. It's about making smart spending choices that align with your values and bring you lasting joy. Instead of chasing fleeting trends, invest in quality over quantity. Support local businesses, prioritize sustainable practices, and make purchases that bring you genuine happiness. Remember, true luxury is about living intentionally and making choices that reflect your values. Section 10. Giving back. Luxury with a purpose. When you achieve financial freedom, you have a unique opportunity to make a positive impact on the world. Consider supporting causes you care about, whether it's fighting poverty, promoting education, or protecting the environment. Giving back not only benefits others, but also brings a sense of purpose and fulfillment to your own life. It's about using your wealth to create a ripple effect of positive change in the world. Section 11. Your journey begins today. Take the first step. Don't wait for the perfect time to start investing. The best time is now. Even a small step today can make a big difference in your future. Remember, every journey starts with a single step. Start by educating yourself about investing. There are countless resources available online, in libraries, and through financial advisors. Remember, knowledge is power. Section 12. Join the movement. Let's unlock luxury together. You're not alone on this journey. Millions of people are striving for financial freedom and the luxurious life they deserve. Connect with others, share your goals, and learn from each other's experiences. Remember, the stock market is a powerful tool for wealth creation. By mastering the basics, making smart decisions, and staying focused on your long-term goals, you can unlock a life of abundance, freedom, and joy. Let's do this.